Hi guys, so today's video I want to show you how you can make a perfect beat on your phone with BandLab. Are you excited? So let's get right to it. BandLab is a app. If you guys, some of you that doesn't know BandLab is a app you can use to make beats, sing song, do the mastering of the song and mix a song. You can use to distribute song. You can use to distribute song, yes, but that distribute song is another video you get. So today I want to show you how you can make beats using BandLab. So BandLab is a very amazing, wonderful app on your phone. You can download it in your phone, on your phone, Android, from version 10 upward. You can download BandLab. So today I come with an Afrobeat to show you how I make it, so you can learn from my experience to make it. So let's get to it. I don't like much talk. Listen to the beat. Okay, this is the beat. It's very easy. This beat is very easy. This is the drum. First of all, this is the drum. I get all this from the sample pack. I will show you the sample pack in this end of this video. So you will add the drums well. Make sure the drum is loud. Get me? Make sure the drum is loud by going here. Hear the drums, right? Sound good. Sound good. Okay, go the next. This is the loop. The loop. Get me? Simple as it is. It's beautiful. Get me? But the both together make that amazing sound you guys just heard. And this is the dun dun. You get me? So I can't explain much. What? I will show you the sample pack. Patient till this video end. I will show you the sample pack. I get all these drums loop from. It's one sample pack. You get a lot of sample pack on BandLab actually. A lot. This is why I used to put. Get me the vibe. It's like a trumpet, but it's a vibe. Don't forget that. This flow with the loop. It flows. This is my producer tag. Because if you want to be serious in the making of beats business, we have a producer tag. So this is my producer tag. Make sure you do that. Producer tag. You producers, artists, who watching this video, have a producer tag. This is to make the video start. To make the video start. To make this song start. That's you get me. Always be prepared. Listen to the song. Oh shit. Yo. As I promised you guys, here is the sample pack. I used to get all the drums, all my loop, all my drum. There's a lot of sample pack. Again, so you can take a drum from this sample pack and take a loop from this sample pack and take a sample of different things together combined. You can still forge your own. Everything is your BandLab. I'm not promoting BandLab. This is not a paid promotion. They don't pay me to promote BandLab. I just tell you the best app I use to make my own beats so that you can use. Get me? So subscribe, like, subscribe. I tell you, subscribe, like. You get what? Sharp.